Hi, I'm Jyoti and my topic is encryption algorithms. Let's get started. What is encryption? Encryption is the process of encoding a message or information in a way that only authorized person can access it. We have two types of encryption: symmetric key encryption and asymmetric key encryption. Symmetric key encryption is a form of crypto system in which encryption and decryption are performed using same key, whereas asymmetric key encryption is a form of crypto system in which encryption and decryption are done using two different keys. One is public key and the other is private key. It is also known as public key encryption. Here, key is a randomized string of bits that is used to encrypt and decrypt data. Now let's discuss about symmetric key encryption algorithms. Data encryption standard DES. DES is a symmetric block cipher and encrypts the data in blocks of size 64 bits each, which means 64 bits of plain data is taken as input to DES and produces 64 bits of ciphertext. The same algorithm and key are used for encryption and decryption with minor changes in it. The key length what we use in DES is 56 bits. Here, if we see the working of DES, we give a 64-bit plain text to an initial permutation, and this produces two halves of permuted blocks. Now, each permuted block will go through 16 rounds of encryption process and are finally rejoined by final permutation in the end. Security is the major concern in DES because it uses 56 bits key and cryptanalysts are trying to crack the encrypted message by key exhaustion. The next one is triple DES, which is also known as 3DES. Triple DES was created to fix the problems with DES without creating a whole new crypto system. The 56-bit key used by DES is insufficient to secure sensitive data. By sequentially running algorithm 3 times with 3 different keys, 3DES increases the key size of DES. So the total key size is 168, which is 3 times 56. Triple DES uses 3 64-bit DES keys K1, K2 and K3, which encrypts plain text using K1, decrypts it with K2 and then encrypts it once again with K3. That is EDE mode, the encryption, decryption and encryption mode. Triple DES suffers from slow performance in software, and Triple DES is well suited for hardware implementation, but presently Triple DES is largely replaced by AES. Advanced Encryption Standard. AES is widely used today as it is much stronger than DES and Triple DES despite being harder to implement. 3 different key sizes are used by AES algorithm to encrypt and decrypt data such as 128, 192 and 256 bits. AES algorithm uses a particular structure to encrypt the data and provide the best security. To do that, it relies on the number of rounds for the encryption process. Inside each round, it comprises of 4 sub-processes to encrypt 128-bit block. The 4 steps during each round are sub-bytes, shift rows, mix columns, and add round key. Decryption is the reverse process of encryption and it is done using inverse functions. Here we have many factors that will compare all the 3 algorithms, and by seeing we can say that AES algorithm is most effective among them. DES and 3DES are vulnerable to brute force attack. That is, brute force attacker can analyze plain text using differential cryptanalysis. 3DES is slower than DES and AES as it has slow performance on software. Thank you.